Hey, this is Jeff again. Did a little work on the M813A1. See, that old weird kind of school bus color paint they put on there, pretty thick. Cleaned up pretty good. Seriously thinking about not messing with it. Or, you know, putting it back olive drab maybe, but I always liked that tan color, but I'm serious. They poured it to it. It's pretty thick. Had a 14-foot bed on it. Troop cargo bed. That's the NHC Cummins 250, 14.6 liter, 855 horsepower. Cubic inches. I don't know the horsepower, but it'll pull whatever you hook to it. It's 42,000 GVWR, 30,000 tow. It's got a 5-speed manual with 44,000 pound Rockwell axles. Oh well, I'm out.